A lot of change in the industry these days, especially with regard to consolidation and a disruption in the traditional laundromat models. Now, I guess of those evolving business models for laundromats, which stand out to you in your mind and why?
I think for me, as I look at the laundromat, I don't really look at it as just a in the box business model. I look at it as it's always changing, like you said. And in my mind, it's getting better each year. And the reason why I say that is because I think when you look at what's going on in our industry, it's becoming more and more focused on the customer experience for the end user that uses our products, but also the store owners. And it's become more of a customer experience than really what I thought about when I first joined this industry. And it's exciting to me to see that because as the business model maybe changes, there seems to be a lot of excitement around it. You're seeing some great new products being put out, both from a technology standpoint, but also at the store owner level. And I think for the entire laundry management team, this excites us because we look at what the next level service and how do we elevate the industry as a global leader. So we're excited about that.